Why did Lord Shiva choose the form of a monkey to serve Lord Rama? The very Lord Shiva, who can reduce the entire universe to ashes just by opening his third eye, chose to sit at the feet of Lord Rama and serve him in the form of a Vanara monkey. But why did Mahadev choose the form of a monkey instead of becoming a king or a celestial god? The answer to this mystery is hidden in a chapter of the Valmiki Ramayana that became one of the biggest reasons behind Ravana's destruction. Once, Ravana, blinded by arrogance, reached Mount Kailash. There he mocked Nandi, the divine devotee and vehicle of Lord Shiva, insulting him by calling him monkey-faced. Nandi's eyes blazed with fury, and he cursed Ravana. The very Vanara form that you insult today will one day become the source of a mighty power that will destroy your golden Lanka and wipe out your entire dynasty. But Ravana's pride was so immense that when he sought the boon of immortality from Lord Brahma, he considered humans and monkeys too insignificant to fear and therefore excluded them from his request. To shatter this arrogance, Lord Vishnu had to incarnate on earth as Lord Rama in human form. According to the Shiva Purana, when Lord Shiva saw that his beloved Lord Rama was descending to earth, he could not stop himself from serving him. But why specifically take the form of a monkey? At the same time, destiny was weaving another story. Mother Anjani was performing severe penance on Anjanadri mountain for 12 long years to be freed from a curse. In her previous birth, she had been a celestial Apsara named Punjikasthala, who had been cursed by a sage to take birth as a Vanara woman. The curse could only be broken if an incarnation of Lord Shiva himself was born through her womb. See how divine destiny aligned perfectly. Nandi's curse, Ravana's arrogance, and Mother Anjani's penance, all three were fulfilled when Lord Shiva manifested his 11th Rudra aspect in the form of Hanuman. If Shiva had taken birth as a king, royal pride and ego might have followed. But a Vanara is completely free from worldly arrogance and can serve with pure devotion and surrender. That is why Mahadev chose the humble Vanara form to demonstrate the highest form of selfless bhakti and service to Lord Rama. If this divine mystery gave your goosebumps too, then write Jai Shri Ram with full devotion in the comments.